This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make paper sumo. To begin, you will need a few key items. First, gather some thick paper or cardstock, which is crucial for sturdy wrestlers. You'll also need a pair of sharp scissors for precise cuts and a reliable glue stick or liquid glue for assembly. Make sure you have a clean, flat workspace ready for crafting your miniature champions. These simple materials are all you need to start your paper sumo adventure. Now, let's construct your sumo wrestler. Begin by carefully cutting out the main body shape from your cardstock. Many templates are available online, or you can design your own. Next, fold the paper along the designated lines to give your wrestler a three-dimensional form. Pay close attention to creating a wide and stable base. This foundation is essential for your sumo's balance and ability to withstand pushes during a match. A well-folded base makes all the difference. With the basic shape complete, it's time to personalize your sumo. Decorate your wrestler with markers, colored pencils, or even small paper cutouts to give them a unique personality. A crucial step for performance is adding weight. Place 1 or 2 small coins, like pennies, inside the base of your sumo to lower its center of gravity. Finally, securely glue all the folds and decorative elements to ensure your wrestler is robust and ready for battle. Your paper sumo wrestlers are almost ready for action. To set the stage, create a circular sumo ring. You can draw one on a large piece of paper or use a shallow tray. A good size is about 10 inches in diameter. Place your 2 finished paper sumo wrestlers inside the ring, facing each other. To start a match, gently tap the surface the ring is on. Watch as your paper champions push and tumble in exciting, friendly competition. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.